Okay, so this stage is going to be, we're going to be learning to make this really special paste that I came up with the formula. I mean, it's not so unusual, but it really is wonderful for having a bit of a texture and bumpy thing on your canvas. So you're going to be using just our regular joint compound, and we're going to be using white glue, PVA, or just regular white glue, and toilet paper. You're going to need some gloves, and just whatever it is you're comfortable to mix things with. So I added right now, there's some compound is here. I'm just going to put a bit of glue. It really doesn't matter if you have a lot of glue. Well, just a bit of glue. It's not really something you want to weigh or to have like an exact milligrams, grams, or whatever it is. It's just something, a bit of glue. Okay, and I'm gonna start mixing this with adding a bit of paper, toilet paper, just like that. Easy schmeezy. And truthfully, it will give you whatever consistency you want. It could either continue being just a little paste, or it might turn into clay-like substance, which you could use for really building things, really mixing, building, using it as clay. So something like that. I'm gonna keep on going until I feel like I really like the texture. I don't need it to be clay. I just want to have nice, wonderful little bumps and textury, fun things here on the canvas.
I will be speeding up this video since it's just going to be really mixing. Mixing is all fun and all. And you need to get to the certain consistency where it will be soft enough, but it will be also textury and bumpy to create nice effects on your canvas. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I will be mixing, adding up some toilet paper, more and more little pieces of toilet paper, tearing it and mixing it more and more. And great mixing is the key. We really want to mix that toilet paper in, so it won't be afterwards pulling out. You know, like sometimes if you don't mix it well, you spread it on the canvas and then you get this toilet paper bumps, you know, like they just the papery bumps. We want to mix it really well. And then the next part I'll be showing you how we're going to be spreading it on the canvas. And yeah, in terms of mixing tools, I like to use this wide wooden stick and plastic plate, so you could really throw it away afterwards, or you could reuse it, of course. You could choose something that you are comfortable with, but that's basically those are basically the tools.
So this is the consistency that I like right now. This is kind of, it's not too runny, but it's definitely sticky enough. It's not clay-like yet. So, but this is pretty fun. And right now I'm gonna be putting it on the canvas. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit flat. So if it's gonna be, I'm gonna start. So basically, wherever I think I want to give it a texture, like there will be some mountains or some sort of thing. Over here, I'm thinking there will be some sky, and these are mountains, ground. So wherever I want to give a bit of texture, I can use Spachte, or well, we call it Spachte actually. Something like that. And I just want to give like a bumpy texture. I don't want it to make it too smooth. You can even use your hands. That's also fine.
Here I'm going to be trying to just spread all that mixture onto the canvas, and basically really just try to imagine mountains, rocky mountains, how it's gonna be basically it's going to be popping out. It's going to be popping out the texture. You don't have to picture an entire like ready-made, ready painted mountain. For sure not, of course. You really just want to think just a very, very basic idea where your land, your mountains are going to be. And that's what I trying to put that texture on, and I'm trying not to spread it too thin. I'm trying to really keep it nice and bumpy, because I want that beautiful, beautiful textury effect in the end. Yes, you will see it's really amazing how it really helps and adds the texture to your oil painting. And yeah, well, using all this beautiful effects, it definitely is very helpful. You will see it at the end. The end result will be awesome. And this is pretty much it for our part with the texture, playing around and creating a beautiful background.